Ito, 15, 1 to 2. O ngayong araw ng Lunes dyan, Pitsa 15, 15, 1 to 2, 20 to 40 na east, south, east, 3 to 4 feet. Bukas, Pitsa 16, Martes, 15 to 33 na east, south, east, 4 feet. Pitsa 17, Merkules, 15 to 31 na east, northeast, 3 to 4 feet. Pitsa 18, Huwebes, 20 to 43 na northeast, 4 to 6 feet. Yung 6 feet niya sa gabi. Pitsa 19, Biyernes, 35 to 57 na east, southeast, 7 to 8 feet. Pitsa 20, Sabado, 30 to 50 na southwest, Abagat, na 4 to 5 feet. Pitsa 21, Linggo, 15 to 34 na southwest, 3 to 4 feet. Pitsa 22, Lunes, 10 to 20 na southwest, 3 feet. Pitsa 23, Martes, 10 to 26 na northwest, 3 feet. At Pitsa 24, Miyerkules, 15 to 37 na southwest, 3 feet pa rin mga amigo dito sa 15, 1 to 2. Kopya, malang naman, ingat, maganda. O, ito na, 15, 1 to 3, abantay. O, ngayong araw ng Lunes, Pitsa 15, 20 to 40 na southeast, 3 to 4 feet. Bukas, Martes, Pitsa 16, 15 to 33 na southeast, 4 feet. Pitsa 17, Merkules, 15 to 33 na este, 4 feet. Pitsa 18, Huwebes, 21 to 48 na northeast, 4 to 7 feet. Yung 7 feet niya sa gabi. Pitsa 19, Biyernes, 35 to 58 na east, southeast, 7 to 8 feet. Pitsa 20, Sabado, 23 to 43 na southeast, 4 to 6 feet. Pitsa 21, Linggo, 15 to 32 na southwest, 3 to 4 feet. Pitsa 22, Lunes, 10 to 26 na southwest, 3 feet. Pitsa 23, Martes, 15 to 30 na west, northwest, 3 feet. At Pitsa 24, Miyerkules, 20 to 40 na southwest, 3 to 4 feet. Napapiyamigo dyan sa 15, 1 to 3. Wala naman. Sige, ingat dyan yung tasan. Reply ko lang si kusing mo. Mga ilang araw pa. Kopya. Sige. Ingat. Ito na, Father. 15, 1 to 4. Sige, 15, 1 to 4. Ngayong araw ng Lunes, Pitsa 15. 20 to 40 na east, southeast, 3 to 4 feet. Bukas, Martes, Pitsa 16, 15 to 38 na east, southeast, 4 feet. Pitsa 17, Merkules, 15 to 37 na este, 4 to 5 feet. Yung 5 feet niya, alas 5 ng hapon mag-umpisa. Pitsa 16, Huwebes, Pitsa 18, Huwebes, 30 to 55 na northeast, 5 to 8 feet. Yung 8 feet niya, alas 8 ng gabi mag-umpisa. Pitsa 19, Biyernes, 40 to 62 na southeast 7 to 9 feet. Yung 9 feet niya simula madaling araw hanggang alas 8 ng umaga. Petsa 20, Sabado, 20 to 41 na southeast umaga, mag-southwest sa gabi na 5 to 6 feet. Petsa 21, Linggo, 10 to 28 na southeast 3 to 4 feet. Tama na? Kopya. Sige, ingat. Pader, ingat. Maganda. Kopya. Ingat. Ito, Jornay. 16, 1 to 4. 16, 1 to 4. Ngayon araw ng Lunes, Petsa 15. 18, 38 na este, 3 to 5 feet. Yung 5 feet niya mamayang gabi. Petsa 16, Martes, bukas, 15 to 33 na east-southeast 4 feet. Petsa 17, Merkules, 15 to 36 na este, 4 to 5 feet. Petsa 18, Huwebes, 30 to 54 na east-northeast 5 to 7 feet. Yung 7 feet niya, alas 8 ng gabi mag-umpisa. Petsa 19, Biyernes, 35 to 53 na east-southeast 8 feet. Petsa 20, Sabado, 30 to 15 na southeast 5 to 7 feet. Petsa 21, Linggo, 10 to 28 na southeast 4 to 5 feet. Petsa 22, Lunes, 10 to 20 na east-northeast 3 to 4 feet. Petsa 23, Martes, 10 to 25 na north-northwest 3 to 4 feet. At Petsa 24, Miyerkules, 20 to 40 na southwest 4 feet. Nakukuha mong journey dyan sa 16, 1 to 4. Wala kami ko. Magandang umaga. Ingat. Ito na, lover boy. 17 to 4. Ngayong araw ng Lunes dyan, Petsa 15, 18 to 38 na east-southeast 3 to 5 feet. Yung 5 feet niya, mamaya alas 5 ng hapon, mag-umpisa. Bukas, Martes, Petsa 16, 15 to 33 na east-southeast 4 feet. Petsa 17, Miyerkules, 15 to 35 na este, 4 to 5 feet. Petsa 18, Huwebes, 22 to 47 na este, 5 to 6 feet. Yung 6 feet niya sa gabi mag-umpisa. Petsa 19, Biyernes, 28 to 47 na east-southeast 7 to 8 feet. Yung 8 feet niya, alas 5 ng hapon. Petsa 20, Sabado, 23 to 46 na southeast 6 to 7 feet. Petsa 21, Linggo, 10 to 28 na southwest 4 to 5 feet. Petsa 22, Lunes, 10 to 24 na southeast 3 to 4 feet. Petsa 23, Martes, 10 to 27 na northeast 3 to 4 feet. At Petsa 24, Miyerkules, 20 to 45 na southwest kabagat na 4 to 5 feet. Nakopya may lover boy dyan sa 17, 1 to 4. Kopya, magandang umaga, ingat. Ito na, Kardaw, 14, 1 to 5. 14, 1 to 5, ngayong araw ng Lunes, Petsa 15, 18 to 37 na east-southeast 3 to 4 feet. Bukas, Martes, Petsa 16, 17 to 35 na este 4 feet. Petsa 17, Miyerkules, 15 to 34 na este, 4 to 5 feet. Yung 5 feet niya, alas 2 ng hapon mag-umpisa. Petsa 18, Webes, 40 to 60 na east, northeast, 5 to 9 feet. Yung 9 feet niya, sa gabi mag-umpisa, alas 8. Petsa 19, Biyernes, 35 to 58 na southeast, 7 to 9 feet. Yung 7 feet niya, sa hapon pa yun. Petsa 20, Sabado, 15 to 13 na southwest sa umaga, mag-southeast tanghali hanggang gabi na 5 to 6 feet. Petsa 21, Linggo, 10 to 23 na southwest, 3 to 4 feet. Petsa 22, Lunes, 10 to 21 na southeast sa umaga, mag-northwest sa hapon na 3 feet. Petsa 23, Martes, 20 to 41 na west, northwest, 3 to 4 feet. At Petsa 24, Miyerkules, 18 to 36 na southwest, 4 feet pa rin. Nakopiami kong kardo dyan sa 14, 1 to 5. Sige, wala naman. Ingat, magandang umaga. Bantay, reminder na, 31 to 5. Bantay. Sige. 31 to 5. Ngayong araw ng Lunes, Petsa 15. 15 to 38 na east, southeast, 3 to 4 feet. Bukas, Martes, Petsa 16. 15 to 34 na east, southeast, 4 feet. Petsa 17, Miyerkules, 15 to 36 na east, northeast, 4 to 5 feet. Yung 5 feet niya sa gabi. Petsa 18, Webes, 30 to 57 na east, northeast, 6 to 7 feet. Yung 7 feet niya simula alas 8 ng umaga hanggang gabi. Petsa 19, Biyernes, 33 to 58 na southeast, 6 to 8 feet. Petsa 20, Sabado, 15 to 32 na southwest, 4 to 6 feet. Petsa 21, Linggo, 10 to 28 na southwest, 3 to 4 feet. Petsa 22, Lunes, 10 to 24 na southwest, 3 feet. Petsa 23, Martes, 20 to 42 na southwest, 3 to 4 feet. At Petsa 24, Miyerkules, 24 to 42 na southwest, 4 feet. Nakopyan ko kong reminder na dyan sa 13, 1 to 5. Kopya. Sige, ingat. Magandang umaga. Nakukupay lang ako ni James Bond. Sige, kopya. Ito ang bigong James Bond. 09127, ngayong araw ng Lunes, Petsa 15. 10 to 22 ng northwest, 3 feet. Bukas, Martes, Petsa 16. 10 to 20 ng northwest, 3 feet. Petsa 17, Miyerkules, 20 to 44 ng northwest, 3 to 5 feet. Yung 5 feet niya, alas 3 ng hapon mag-umpisa. Petsa 18, Webes, 30 to 54 na southwest, kabagat, na 5 to 8 feet. Yung 8 feet niya, alas 6 ng hapon mag-umpisa. Petsa 19, Biyernes, 33 to 55 na southwest, 7 to 8 feet. Petsa 20, Sabado, 30 to 50 na southwest, 5 to 7 feet. Petsa 21, Linggo, 15 to 32 na southwest, 3 to 4 feet. Petsa 22, Lunes, 15 to 30 na southwest, 3 feet. Petsa 23, Martes, 10 to 24 na southwest, 3 feet. Petsa 24, Miyerkules, 15 to 30 na southwest, 4 feet. Nato kay amigong James Bond dyan sa 09127. Kupay, ingat, magandang magaling. Ito, amigong Sanggoko, 12-126, ngayong araw ng Lunes, Petsa 15. 15 to 37 na este, 3 to 4 feet. Bukas Martes, Petsa 16, 15 to 37 na east-southeast, 4 to 5 feet. Yung 5 feet niya sa gabi. Petsa 17, Miyerkules, 20 to 43 na east-northeast, 4 to 5 feet. Petsa 18, Huwebes, 30 to 53 na east sa umaga, mag-southeast sa tanghali hanggang gabi na 6 to 8 feet. Yung 8 feet niya ay sa gabi. Petsa 19, Biyernes, sa umaga, 40 to 60 na southwest, 7 to 8 feet. Sa tanghali hanggang gabi, 24 to 42 na south-southeast, 6 to 7 feet. Petsa 20, Sabado, 15 to 30 na southwest sa umaga, mag-southeast sa tanghali hanggang gabi na 4 to 6 feet. Petsa 21, Linggo, 10 to 21 na southwest, 3 to 4 feet. Petsa 22, Lunes, 15 to 30 na northwest sa umaga, mag-southwest sa hapon na 3 feet. Petsa 23, Martes, 20 to 41 na southwest, 3 to 4 feet. At Petsa 24, Miyerkules, 17 to 33 na southwest, 3 to 4 feet. Nakamigong Sanggoko dyan sa 12-126. Kupay. Ano naman?